This is Sandy Missouri for San Diego Jewish World, and today we are down here at the beautiful San Diego Harbor for a tuna and salmon tasting event at Tunaville Market. So, I mean, when you say free sashimi, come and get it, that certainly gets my attention. So let's see what we're in for here. Come on. We are here with Tommy Gomez.
No, it's Tommy Gomes. Some people call me Tony Gomez, but today I'm going original Tommy Gomes.
Tommy Gomes, wow, all right. And Tommy is known as the fishmonger. He's also the owner of Tunaville. And tell me about this event you have going on here today.
Yeah, so me and my partners, or my partners and I, if you will, opened Tunaville Market and Grocery 2 years ago in honor of the men and women of the American tuna fleet. And today we have the boys from New Zealand. They flew in with their Mount Cook Alpine salmon, which is the best farm salmon on the planet. Very boutique style farm. It's absolutely wonderful. So they're here today with Jeff Roberto from Sushi on a Roll. And you know, we have these events down here at Driscoll's Wharf. We also have one of the premier knife sharpening knife makers every Friday. So you can call the office and make sure that he's coming down to sharpen your knives and things like that. So we got fun stuff going on.
How often do you do these kind of sample events?
We usually do them 2-3 times a month. Usually inside the shop we'll do them because we're dry aging a lot of fish. We're making mohama. We're making sausages out of fish and things like that.
How long has Tunaville been here?
A little over 2 years.
Oh, that's it. So it's relatively new.
Yep.
Wow. And how long have you been in the fish industry?
Yeah. It's all I know. This is sad, but it's all I know is seafood.
And one of the things that I've always really enjoyed about you are passionate about fish and where the fish comes from. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So our seafood has changed, our world's changed, our food system has changed in general. I mean, our food system's broken. We're fat, lethargic, diabetic. I mean, we're just a wreck. And seafood is the only protein that we don't manufacture. We manufacture our beef, our chicken, our cows, and pork, bird, whatever. We're manufacturing all that stuff. Wild seafood, we got to lay it on the line and go get it. So know your source, ask questions, support your American fishermen and women of the U.S. fleet, because we're simply the best and we catch the best and we know what we're doing. And you hear me say it on my television show that if your seafood has more frequent flyer miles on it than your American Airlines credit card, you're not doing us any favors. So think about that when you buy food. Buy local, eat well.
Except for the salmon, which is better from New Zealand.
Except for the salmon, which is seriously the best.
Awesome. Come on down. They won't always have this event, but Tunaville, they always do great events. They have their vendors coming and showcasing things. They get things in straight off the boat to put in to sell different seafood and fish and stuff. It's always worth a visit to come out here to Tunaville. Highly recommended.